Hello, welcome everyone to solve this problem, which is sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x, which is equal to 0. Find the value of x either in radian or in degrees. So let's go to the solution. So let's rewrite the problem. So we have sin x plus sin 2x plus sin x 3x, which is equal to 0. So now let's rearrange the equation as sin 3x plus sin x plus sin 2x, which is equal to 0. So now if we consider only this one, so we can apply sum to product identity, which is that sum to product identity, which is sin of A plus sin B can be written as 2 times sin of A plus B over 2 times cos of A minus B over 2. Since where A is equal to 3x and B is equal to x, so this sin 3x plus sin x will be 2 times sin of A is 3x, B is x divided by 2 cos of A is 3x minus B is x divided by 2 plus sin of 2x, which is equal to 0. Now let's sum up this one. 2 times sin of 3x plus x, that's 4x divided by 2 times cos of 3x minus x to x divided by 2 plus sin 2x. Then this will be 2 times sin of 4x divided by 2, sin of 2x cos 2x divided by 2 will be x plus sin of 2x, which is equal to 0. So now we have a common term, which is sin 2x. Here we have sin 2x and here we have sin 2x. So let's factor out sin 2x. So sin 2x is equal to 2 cos x plus 1, which is equal to 0. So applying 0 product identity, this sign, so by using 0 product identity, this sin 2x is equal to 0 and 2 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is case 1 and this is case 2. So let's begin with case 1, which is sin 2x is equal to 0, which means this is a sin of 2x, so 2x will be sin inverse of 0. So sine inverse of 0 will be 2x, which is equal to sine inverse of 0 will be pi times k, so k times pi, so x is equal to k pi over 2, where k is an element of integer, And for the second case, we do have 2 cos x, which is equal to minus 1. So cos x, which is equal to minus 1 over 2. So x will be cos inverse of minus 1 over 2. So x will be 2 pi over 3 plus 2k pi. And you can draw, or you can find the points where this equation will be 0 by using unit circle. But now our solutions are x, which is equal to k pi over 2, and or x, which is equal to 2 pi over 3 plus 2 times k times pi. These are the solution, but k must be an element of integer. K is an element of integer.